Welcome to Solo English Show.
Hello, my dear parents. How is your life? I hope your life is getting day by day better. Today, especially, I would like to talk with my parents, and I want to ask you one thing. Today's video is going to become a great video, so watch till end. And that is why parents aspect and children aspect is not matching. Their expectations is going to different direction, and if expectation is going different direction, how you will and they will join? How? It will not happen. So what is the solution? Never expect. Don't expect. My dear parents, your son, your daughter are very intelligent, very, very fantastic they are. They have the mind, they have the courage, they can do, and they can do such like that what you want. But they are children right now, they have not good direction. So what you can do, you can give the direction. Yes, you can change the direction. If you want to stop the river, and if you are binding a pond, and immediately you cannot stop the river, but definitely you can convert the river direction, right? But you cannot stop the river. Yes, but how? If you are binding here, right, you are making pond here, and water is coming by the river, and it will break. So what will you do? You will do that, let it be flow. Yes, let it be flow, and you will have to cut another side for blowing the water, and after cutting, slowly water will go, and when slowly water will go, it will make automatically own way. Don't need to pound the pound. Are you understanding my point? Yes, it means never scold, never argue with children. That children will say, excuse me, Papa, I want to do this, I want to do. You say, no, what I'm saying you will do that. Okay, what will I say? That is you will do. Okay, you will not play, you will not go to friend's home. Okay, only you will study. And you are scolding. Never scold. After scolding, what happens? Student lives. Do you know? You don't know. You know what? There are two types of students and children. One is the who listens father's talks, and one who is not listen father's talks, mother's talk. Right? So I want to talk with you about who listens father talks. If you say it, you will not go to the store, you will not go to your friend's home, you will not play, only you will study. So what they will do? They will study. And what they will understand in their mind, they will understand that my life I born for study. Sometimes you say, excuse me, you will have to pass in examination. You have to take great numbers in the exam. You will have to take first division, 100% out of the 100. Think, my life has born taking number of the examination, big number, and that is why they study and they focus on examination. And after completing examination, they got the good number of the result, and you feel happy. Wow, my son and daughter has taken the good number in the examination. Oh my God, he has done their target. Problem there is, after completing examination, they go the effort size degree, and after that they become unemployed. Why? Because in an interviewer never ask, show me your result. They ask, they see their character, they talk, how are they talking, they walk, how are they walking, and they ask practical knowledge. And if they will not friends home, they will not play, How will they learn? If they will go to the friend's home, with the friends, they talk with the hearts. And with playing, their mind sharpening. But you stopped. I'm not saying that your son and daughter must play all time. No. I say that change the direction. Change the direction. If they are studying all time, they make them stop. Don't study all time. You do practical knowledge. Sit down before the grandfather, grandmother, father and mother, auntie and uncle, and talk about the history, about the past. Talk about the general knowledge, practical knowledge, by which they will understand the practically that what is happening, because life never check the result number. Life always check the experience, and experience always make the talented person. Your son and daughter never born for passing examination, they born for making you great person. Yes, for making you great person. For that you have to make great to them. मैं इन द लास्ट में कहना चाहूंगा पेरेंट्स से, माता पिता से, आप लोग अपने बच्चे को संभालिए। आज आप अपने बच्चे की कैरेक्टर पे काम करोगे, आज बच्चे की कैरेक्टर बना दोगे, तो कल को आपकी जिंदगी में आपने जो आज कमाए या नहीं कमाए, कल 10 गुना आपको रिटर्न मिलेगा। लेकिन अगर आपने बच्चे के ऊपर काम नहीं किया, आप सोच रहे मैं पैसा कमा रहा हूं, मैं घर बना रहा हूं बच्चे के लिए, तो कल को आपके घर में बच्चे ही ना रहेंगे, तो घर किस काम का, वो पैसा किस काम। फ्रेंड्स, माय डियर पेरेंट्स, बच्चे के ऊपर काम करिए, बच्चे के कैरेक्टर के ऊपर काम करिए, राइट। एंड इस वीडियो को शेयर करिए उन सभी लोगों के पास जो आपके फोन में नंबर है, उन सभी लोगों ग्रुप में शेयर करिए, सबको पता रहना चाहिए, राइट। यस, क्योंकि आपका बच्चा ब्रिलियंट है, इंटेलिजेंट है, अच्छा है, लेकिन माहौल अच्छा नहीं है, उनके दोस्त अच्छे नहीं है। दोस्त के पास ये वीडियो जाना चाहिए। दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द व्हाट इज द रियलिटी। एंड अगर आप इंग्लिश भी सीखना चाहते हैं तो आप मेरे से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको एडवाइस दूंगा, मैं आपको सजेशन दूंगा, मैं आपको गाइडेंस दूंगा कि कैसे आप इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो, राइट। यस, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडे एंड आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। थैंक यू फॉर टुडे, हैव अ ग्रेट डे, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।